What's up, guys? Today I decided I'm going to be doing a challenge for myself for you to watch me suffer. So, some of you might know, I have 115 subscribers. So, I decided for every 5 subscribers that I currently have of recording this video, I'm going to kill one monster in Animal Company. By the way, the turkeys do not count. So, just want to say that. So, without anything else to say, I'm gonna start killing monsters now. So first I wanted to head to forest, because there's a lot of Armstrongs. But it's almost night, so I don't know if that's gonna happen for now. Yeah, so I'm gonna kill the Armstrongs first, because there's a lot over here, and they're pretty easy. Probably the easiest monster to kill. That is very easy to find. Let's see this. It's 2. I'm not taking damage. I'll take a crowbar. Bro, no way, I forgot a light. Alright, I guess I'm just gonna leave them. Bro, flip back out of the wall. I'm stuck in the wall. Come on. So now I'm going to sewers to blow everything up. I also went back up and bring some bullets for a pistol. Can I kill that? I can. Let's go. Probably the strat right now. It's back. I'm mess somehow. How am I missing these? Alright, finally. Plan is to kill this thing now? And they also spawn way faster. My bag's a lot lighter now. I can actually move. Ooh, blew up a research point for me!
This can be my final code. Yes.
Yep.
Alright,
that's
guys,
fine.
peace out and subscribe, please.